Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So you have to open camera first, and here you have at the upper bar this middle icon. You tap on it, and here you can select how much time do you need before your device takes photo. It could be 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 8. Let's go with 2 and try to take a picture. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.